I got my Yeedi vacuum and I like it pretty well. I don't think it's for everyone. I have concrete floors throughout my house, sealed concrete, and they work really well on that. Today, the thing got hung up in there and stopped. And if there's a lot of obstructions in your house or different levels, don't even bother. But it does a really good job of picking up pet hair and stuff from me. Here's the little cleaning chamber. This fills up pretty quickly, but you know what it lacks in like suction power and all that, it makes up for in persistence because it gets up under the couch, in the ottoman, and also up underneath my stove. It goes up under there and cleans, which is really great. And I like it pretty well, but you're gonna have to have a kind of an uncluttered house if you wanna, it gets hung up on things like that coat right there. It kind of gets fiddled up in that. And if you got any cords or anything, like if those cords were hanging down from my bed there, it would get tangled up in that. But I like it, but I just don't think it's for everybody. So my daughter has one in Florida too, and it's really good down there. It takes care of the sand issues there. It's just you gotta have the right place. If you've got a lot of stuff, I wouldn't recommend it.
Vacuum is really cool. It's really nice. But when you look at it here, there's not much stuff in here, and it literally will not dust suck that out. So it just got done cleaning after, of course, it died on us. And then we don't even have our rug picked up because we have a rug like this right here, and literally gets stuck on this very tiny rug. So when it cleans out here, it doesn't work. And then what I don't like about it is, say I don't want this area clean, I can't literally section this off. It's just a big box in the app and doesn't allow me to clean. And it has not mapped out our house very well with all of this stuff, because we want it to maybe just clean the living room, or we want to just clean the kitchen out there, or the bedroom. It doesn't work in any way, shape, or form. So not a big fan of that vacuum.
Okay, may have figured it out. Or not. By the way, where it's going, the base station is over here. And it's over there trying to come back to charge. and it came from that room.